everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can view and copy Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. Welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. So let's dive right into it. It is a very easy and simple process. The first thing that you have to make sure is that you're connected to a Wi-Fi, and here you can see I am already connected to a Wi-Fi. In order to view and copy the password, you have to go to the settings. So in your settings here you can get the Wi-Fi option, tap on Wi-Fi. And here you can see this is the Wi-Fi that I am currently connected to. In order to get this password, you'll have to tap on this I like icon that you can see right here. So after tapping on this specific Wi-Fi, here you can see the option of password right here. If you tap on it, your Face ID or Touch ID will be required. And just like this, here you can see this is the password of this Wi-Fi. In order to copy it, you can simply just tap on this copy option like this. And now this Wi-Fi password has successfully been copied to your clipboard, and you can share this to your friend. And just like this, you can view and copy Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.